Dude, check out this license plate. It's not even a Lexus. Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to Bonte Garage. Today we are doing... Oh, Ken's here, by the way, with his Harley, trying to look cool. You're dumb as hell. Today we are actually changing the Miata's wheels. Yesterday we sold them, and today we're going to be mounting my very first set of BBS wheels. I'm super excited. They're not super dope like the Meshies or whatever, the RS, I don't know what they're called. Wheels that I wanted when I was like 18 because all the cool Euros had them, but they are BBSs.
Talking about the Elementaries?
Yeah, Elementaries. Yeah, that's what I meant. I'm just waiting for my dude to come by and we're gonna go mount them. Damn! Alright, they're BBSs. They're not RPF ones. Boom! Dude! Yo, these are gonna be sick. There's 4 of them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This is Ricardo's Evo, by the way. Stuff is sick. Dude, that silver on silver. Always on point, though. Oh. I like the purple. I'm running the same ones, I think. Damn, these tires are pretty beefy, dude. They're like pretty new, huh?
He literally just slapped these tires on.
Dude, how much miles have you put on them?
None.
Oh.
I literally bought them just to have my car
out
on stands.
Damn, these are like the perfect size for the Miata too. I wonder if these are lighter than the 9 wheels. I'm gonna have to look them up. What's up, ex-Evo guy? Now you're like an Evo 10 owner because the X. But you don't own an Evo 10 either. The man's got big goals right here, all right?
Y'all ever seen a slam bass?
Yeah, dude, put that thing on bags, bro. Look.
Ah, we don't bag stuff. We cut springs, dog.
Oh, I see you. This thing is a prime though. It's straight prime, like. Basically means you're balling if you own a prime. I own a V. Basically means you get the vagine, you know.
The vagina.
All right, we about to do that test fit. All right, let me go break all these lugs. Wow, this was super loose. Disappear, boy. Ooh, oh my. Yeah, that's the one. But I'm definitely gonna power wash these before I throw them on. So, how much do I owe you? He said $300. Suck on that. That's why you make a YouTube channel, so you get hookups all the time, all right? Nah, I'm buying them for a decent price though. But for real though, follow this man's. For this beautiful Evo's content, all right? I'll put it right here. Good to go. All right, let's go check out the dried ones. Dang, that came out pretty clean. Yes. Ooh, that color is nasty, bruh. Fitment, it's nasty. Everything's nasty. That's one side done. I'm gonna torque everything. I'll hop to the other side. Alright, it's all torqued down. Let's go see this Fitbit, boy. Alright. Oh well, that was not as dramatic as I want it to be, but yeah. The gunmetal on the black is fire. Straight fire. You guys will see better on this side. We gotta knock it out first. That's it, guys. So now I'm just gonna drop it down, clean it up a little bit, then we'll check it out. All right, guys, that's it. The garage is clean. Ooh. A little dehydrated, but let's back it out and check out the car. Let's get it. Alright guys, that's it for today. It's a little windy, so we're gonna close it up. But hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you guys want more NC content, definitely let me know down below. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Well guys, we kind of ran into an issue. My soft top ripped wide open, so I guess we're just gonna tape it until we order another one and it comes in the mail. So yeah, it's pretty fancy. What is that?
Oh no!
All right.
Oh no!
So yeah, I just like ripped all the way back when Ken was driving it home. So we stitched it a bit. Probably a combined effort to do this, but you know, whatever.
Teamwork.
We stitched it up on both sides with a bunch of zip ties, you know, style points. Then we're gonna go ahead and gorilla tape it heavily, probably up to like halfway on here, and we tucked this in like so. So fingers crossed. We're gonna throw a bunch of tape on here. It's probably gonna make a lot of wind noise, but at least it'll be drivable. Never put this top down, ever. All right, we're gonna go knock this out and show you guys the end product. It's gonna look real bad. All right, guys, but that's the end of today's video. If you guys want to see if it held up or not, you guys are gonna have to check out next week's video and see it. All right, I'm trying to get views. All right, I'm being honest. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.